What's up, everybody? Chris here with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop out in the store, and welcome to Coffee and Grit, where we talk, you drink your coffee, and I talk all the nitty gritty of Klingspor's Woodworking Shop. Today, we're looking at the Klingspor Sawblades. You heard that right? Klingspor and Sawblades in the same sentence, high quality German products. So we're going to talk a little bit more about these. You want a rip saw? We got it. You want a cross cut blade? We got it. You want anything to do something in between like a combo blade? Guess what? We got it. We got about everything you need, from a miter saw to a table saw, and not quite a circular saw, but maybe someday. But we got all the stuff you need. So let's take a look at a couple of these blades just so you can see just how high quality they really are. Easy for you to say. So let's grab the ripping blade, because if you're a woodworker, that's typically the blade you start with. So let's take a closer look. First, you're going to see right on the front of the package, we're going to tell you what the blade is good for. Well, it's good for wood. Excellent for wood. More importantly, with the 24 teeth, you know that's going to be a ripping blade. It tells you right on here too for ripping. On the back of the blade, we give you some identifiers, some safety stuff, all that kind of thing that everybody wants to know. But more importantly, if you look across here, you'll see some of the quality standards that make this set up pretty good. That trifoil brazing, that is something that they do in Germany when they set that carbide tooth to that German steel. Very, very good quality setup from the manufacturing, from the front end to the back end. Well, let's open the blade. Enough talk. Go ahead and pop this out. And as you can see, they're going to all come wrapped not only in the cardboard, but they're going to be wrapped in this paper to protect them, keep them safe from rusting. Let's just pull this blade right on out. So right from the get-go, you can see this 24 tooth blade. We've got it marked on the front. It is an ATB. That's an alternating tooth bevel. It is going to have a 20-degree forward hook. So it's going to be real aggressive when it's ripping through those hardwoods. And so no matter what you've got, if you're looking for a ripping blade, that we offer a 24 tooth and a 30 tooth. This is the full kerf, meaning that the tooth is going to be, if it says it, I don't know if you can catch that or not. This gives you some of the specs back here. And I'm not sure the camera's going to pick it up because of the glare, but it does tell you all those same specs, that it is a 20 degree, it's set up for ripping, and the max RPM, which is safe for most of your traditional table type saws. So really good thick steel, high quality carbide. I'm going to see if I can get that up there for you so you can see this, the thickness of that tooth. A lot of times, some of the inferior blades on the market will give you a real thin tooth. You don't get that with the Klingspor blade. This is a high quality, thick German piece of carbide that's mounted to this German steel. So let's get this 24 tooth put back into packaging, and we'll take a look at another blade that's real popular in the line. So the beauty is, out here on the shelf, as we walk by, we can see all the blades we want. They're all identified. It's easy to see what you're looking for. So if you're looking for a real heavy-duty miter blade, we've got you covered. If you're looking for a cutoff blade, 12-inch, 10-inch, we've got them all covered. One of our most popular blades is this 50-tooth combination. Okay, I'm going to pull that off, and let's take a look at this. So the 50-tooth combo, what is that thing for? Well, it's excellent for cross-cutting and ripping, and you can do even some chipboard and plywood with it. It's a good all-around blade. If you were kind of lazy and you didn't want to keep replacing blades, well, you buy this, and it'll kind of rip, and it'll cross-cut, and it'll do a lot of things for you. And it also, you can identify what materials pretty quickly right on the front. So let's pop this open and take a look. In traditional combination tooth style, what you're going to be looking at in our 50-tooth setup is you're going to be looking at a combination of 5 teeth, 5 segments. And we've got a full video on this out on our YouTube channel if you want to know more. But essentially, with this 5-tooth setup, you are going to have an ATB with 4. So that's alternating tooth times 4. And then the last one, or the lead, is going to be a flat tooth. That's going to be the one that's going to hog away a lot of the material, that's going to be more aggressive. And you'll see that that also follows right behind this deep gullet, which is what this is for, is to help remove that waste. That's why this makes such a good ripping blade. And these alternating tooth blades that follow that, that is what leaves a clean cut for your cross cut. So if you want a good all-around blade, this combination blade is probably the one you want to look at. It'll do a little bit of everything, and it does really, really well. So come on down to the store, go on to the website, check it out at woodworkingshop.com, or you can give us a call at 800-228-0000. If there's something specific or a question you've got about one of the blades behind me, feel free to drop a comment in line and let us know. Well, until then, next time, I guess this is Chris with Klingspor's Woodworking Shop, and we're talking all things blades today.
Today's presentation of Coffee and Grit is brought to you by Woodworker Joe Whole Bean Coffee, a perfect blend of light, medium, and dark roast, roasted and packaged right here in North Carolina, exclusively at woodworkingshop.com.
If there's a product you'd like featured on Coffee and Grit, let us know at 800-228-0000 or email us at tech@woodworkingshop.com.